This is a desktop laser engraver cutter. Now we are using this machine to test cutting 30 mm thick foam. Access the control software for the laser machine, and input the appropriate parameters. Start the cutting process and observe the machine's performance. As you can see, the laser is accurately following the cutting path and making clean cuts. It may need to make multiple passes to cut through the 30 mm thickness. After cutting a circle, the laser proceeds to cut the square. Let's take a look at the incredible results of the laser cut foam. Check out these perfectly cut shapes. There is minimal charring or burning, and that the cuts are clean and precise. Whether you're making art pieces, prototypes, or custom decorations, the desktop laser cutter engraver delivers exceptional results every time. Welcome to contact us for a quote on Redshift Laser Machine.